So there is another important point. Another important point for you people, sir. If you want to get a benefit, yes, sir, I got the benefit from this total series, sir. Buy back your time from the series. I got the benefit like if you want to feel just only two things if you can do, only two things, sir. That thing is enough for this entire series, man, in your life. Only two things, sir. What is the first thing I'm expecting from you people is identify any activity, any completely useless activity. Because of that, you are not getting money. Because of that, you are not getting money. Because of that, you are not getting happiness. Your energy is going to be drained like anything. Drained like anything. Okay. If you have such type of activity, so delete that activity from your daily routine. So shift delete. You require to use permanent delete. If you can remove one such type of activity by listening these classes, wow, 50% of your purpose is going to be fulfilled, man. Remember that. That is one point. Is it clear for you people? So audit your total schedule. Maybe 1 week or maybe 10 days. Among all these, at least one activity identify which is completely useless. I'm not going to get happiness. Next, I'm not going to get money. My energy is draining like anything in this activity. So why I'm doing, అసలు నేను ఎందుకు చేస్తానో నాకే తెలియట్లా. Why I'm doing, I don't know. But from couple of years onwards, I'm doing this activity. Such type of activity, can you please remove? Such type of activity, can you please remove from your daily routine? Delete, permanent delete from your daily routine. This is the first thing I'm expecting from you people. I hope you already started this. Correct, right?